So you may have noticed this new addition to Performance Max audience signals called the search themes. Well, in this video, I'm going to go over how Performance Max audience signals have slightly changed with this new addition and how you can best structure your Performance Max audience signals to make the most of them. And big spoiler here, not much has changed. The only change is custom segments now is called search themes, and it is in a beta mode, so it might not be rolled on forever, it might be taken away. But yeah, this is how you can best structure your audience signals to make the most of search themes. So let's break it down. So in theory, all search themes they should be treated like a search campaign. I've said this a lot previously with asset groups. Your asset groups in your Performance Max are pretty much ad groups like in your search campaign. Now, what you need to do with these search themes in particular is to treat them like they are the keywords in your ad group. So for example, if you're going broad with your asset group, say it's more of a catch-all type of asset group, then you want to use broad search themes. And again, if you want to be more specific with your asset group, which I recommend doing both, then you want to be more specific with your search themes. Now it's pretty simple. So let's just have a look at what actually Google recommends. So I went onto here and just learned a little bit more about search themes. So this is quite interesting if you roll down to the bottom here. This section here, can I enter competitor brands or product names as search themes? And the answer is yes. So yes, competitor brands and keywords can be used as as search themes, but you are responsible to complying. So if they're trademarked, say if they've got a trademark in their brand name, then probably best not to use them. If they don't, then feel free. If they're a smaller competitor, then absolutely. But that's one to bear in mind. If you're going to use a competitor campaign and your keywords are now your competitor brand names, then you can use these in your search themes. But other than that, not much has changed. So with the taken away of custom segments, previously we had the benefit of using custom segments, which allowed us to use competitor websites, competitor apps, as well as keywords that we inputted. So that's gone away a little bit. It's a bit less granular and a bit more rounded with these search themes. You can only add up to 10 in there, so make sure they're as specific as possible, or you're using them on the most high quality search themes you can possibly think of. Okay, so that covers the search themes part of the stuff.